Ordu, the Green City. Hello, my name is Denise. I am visiting my cousin Mert. We are in Ordu, Turkey. Ordu is a beautiful city by the Black Sea. Ordu is very green. It has many trees and high mountains. Look at all the green. This place is famous for hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are called fındık here. Mert says the best view is from Basitİngilizce. Basitİngilizce is a very tall hill. How do we get up the hill? We take the cable car. The cable car is called teleferic. We sit inside and go up, up, up. From the teleferic, the city looks like a small toy town. Basitİngilizce is 450 meters high. We can see the entire sea, the city, and the harbor. We stop here to drink fresh tea and eat Turkish bread. Now we go back down to the sea. The Black Sea is very big and sometimes gray. The port is busy with fishing boats. Ordu also has big, clean waterfalls. This one is called Siseli Waterfall. The water falls very fast over the dark rocks. We visit the old stone houses near the center. These houses are very strong. They are good for learning about the history of Ordu. Ordu people are very kind. They often invite us to eat fresh seafood and sweet desserts. We talk and laugh a lot. Thank you, Ordu. We love your green mountains, the big sea, and the fast teleferic. Goodbye until next time.